Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a keyboard that's been making waves in the mechanical keyboard community, the YUNZII B98 wireless mechanical keyboard. This board boasts a full numpad layout, hot swappable switches, pre-lubed creamy linear switches, gasket mounting, and customizable RGB backlighting, all wrapped in a stylish beige colorway. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are important, and the YUNZII B98 doesn't disappoint. The beige color, which they call Milk V2, is clean and sophisticated. The build quality feels solid, thanks to the well-constructed plastic case. The inclusion of a full numpad is a huge plus for those who work with numbers frequently, making a practical choice for both work and play. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its hot swappable design. This means you can easily change the switches without any soldering, allowing you to experiment with different switch types and find the perfect feel for your typing style. The pre-lubed, creamy linear switches are a joy to type on. They offer a smooth, consistent keystroke with a satisfying sound. The pre-lubrication definitely makes a difference, eliminating any scratchiness and providing a premium typing experience right out of the box. The gasket-mounted design is another highlight. This mounting style uses soft materials to cushion the switch plate, reducing vibrations and noise. The result is a more comfortable and quieter typing experience, which is especially appreciated in shared workspaces or during late-night gaming sessions. Of course, no modern keyboard is complete without RGB backlighting, and the YUNZII B98 delivers. The customizable RGB lighting is vibrant and offers a wide range of colors and effects. You can easily adjust the lighting to match your setup or create your own unique profiles using the included software. The keycaps are shine-through, allowing the RGB to shine brightly. Connectivity is another area where the YUNZII B98 excels. It supports both wireless and wired connections, giving you the flexibility to use it with a variety of devices. The wireless connection is stable and reliable, with no noticeable lag or latency. The included USB-C cable allows you to use the keyboard in wired mode or charge the battery. The YUNZII B98 is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, making it a versatile choice for users of all platforms. The keyboard also comes with a keycap puller and switch puller, making it easy to customize and maintain. In terms of downsides, there aren't many to speak of. Some users may find the plastic case to be less premium than aluminum options, but this is a minor quibble given the keyboard's overall value. The software could be more intuitive, but it's functional and allows you to customize the RGB lighting and key mappings. Overall, the YUNZII B98 wireless mechanical keyboard is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, customizable, and versatile keyboard. Its hot swappable design, pre-lubed creamy linear switches, gasket mounting, and customizable RGB backlighting make it a standout in its price range. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or just someone who appreciates a good typing experience, the YUNZII B98 is definitely worth considering. It offers a premium feel and a wealth of features that punch well above its weight class.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.